Only someone with a ton of off-roading experience would truly understand the adrenaline rush and sense of adventure that comes from tackling challenging terrain. While critics argue that off-road bikes are unnecessary and contribute to environmental degradation, true off-road enthusiasts understand the importance of treading lightly, following designated trails, and minimizing their impact on the surroundings. In today's video, we've brought together the best off-road bikes of 2023 for all the real off-roaders out there. So subscribe if you agree, and let's hop in. Honda Transalp XL750. With the introduction of the new Transalp after nearly 12 years, Honda aimed to strike a balance between urban agility, on-road touring comfort, and off-road capability. At the heart of the new Transalp is a 755cc parallel twin engine, initially introduced with the CB750 Hornet. This new engine is the most powerful ever fitted to a Transalp, and it's paired with a slip assist clutch and an optional quick shifter for smoother gear changes. The off-road bike features a tubular steel frame that houses the engine and a 4.5-gallon gas tank, and comes with a standard tail carrier for carrying additional luggage. In terms of electric features, the XL750 offers various ride modes, traction control, engine braking and power delivery settings, and wheelie control. Other tech features include Honda smartphone voice control, auto-canceling turn signals, and an adjustable shift light. The bike retails at around $10,600. Cake Bukk. Available in two different models, namely the Bukk Super Light and the Bukk Power Light. The off-road bike features a 2.9 kilowatt-hour quick-swap lithium-ion battery pack that offers around 3 hours of trail riding. Plus, the battery can be fully recharged in around 2 hours and 45 minutes. As for what sets it apart from other bikes on the market is a newly developed high-performance motor, which the company claims to be the most advanced air-cooled drivetrain in the industry. Housed in an aircraft-grade aluminum enclosure and water-resistant to IP67 standards, the motor incorporates an interior permanent magnet design with radial flux, enabling it to deliver over 500 Newton-meters of torque, even at higher RPMs. It supports both low and high voltage drivetrains and can exceed speeds of 100 kilometers an hour while offering smooth acceleration and precise handling. There's even a companion app with useful features like anti-theft notification, keyless operation, and more. Pricing starts at $10,270. Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally. The 2023 Triumph Tiger Rally family, including the Rally Pro and Rally Explorer, offer adventure riders an exciting and capable machine for their off-road dreams. These motorcycles feature a powerful 1160cc Inline Triple engine, paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission and a lightweight, low-maintenance shift drive, and produces 147 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque. All Tiger 1200 models come equipped with Brembo Stylema brakes for excellent stopping power and Showa semi-active suspension, which provides a comfortable and controlled ride. Developed specifically for adventure, the bikes feature 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tubeless spoked wheels, and an exclusive off-road pro riding mode, available only on the Rally Pro and Rally Explorer models. The Explorer also features a larger 30-liter fuel tank for extended range and a heated seat for added comfort during colder rides. Harley Davidson Pan America 1250. The Pan America represents Harley Davidson's entry into the adventure touring segment and offers a unique blend of on-road and off-road capabilities, along with some pretty nifty tech. Equipped with what's regarded as the most performance-oriented engine in Harley-Davidson's lineup, the off-road bike rocks a 1250cc V-twin engine with a DOHC liquid-cooled design that produces 150 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 94 foot-pounds of torque at 6,750 RPM. Harley offers a range of electronic rider aids, such as various riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, an adaptable ride height system, and a TFT display that provides riders with navigation, music, phone connectivity, and other ride statistics. It's worth noting that all of this comes at a starting price of just around $17,000. 2023 Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. The 2023 V-Strom 800DE is a new addition to Suzuki's V-Strom line, known for its popularity among adventure riders. The off-road bike breaks from its tradition of having a mid-size 650cc or a 1000cc engine, and instead features a new 776cc parallel twin engine. The engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission with the Suzuki clutch assist system, produces a claimed 83 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque, providing ample power for a balanced riding experience throughout the rev range. In order to enhance its durability and off-road capabilities, the bike adopts a more rugged steel frame and is fitted with 21-inch front and 17-inch rear Dunlop Trail Max Mixed Tour tires, known for their capable performance. Packed with all the essentials you need for a successful adventure, the bike costs around $11,000. And in case you want more, Suzuki offers an optional adventure upgrade for an extra $1,600 that includes aluminum panners and an engine guard. Kuberg Ranger. The Ranger is an innovative off-road bike/scooter crossover from Kuberg, an electric bike manufacturer based in the Czech Republic. The bike boasts a powerful 14-kilowatt electric motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour and is fueled by 2 lithium batteries, which provide a range of 62 miles or roughly 75 minutes of full throttle driving. Plus, what's really cool is that these batteries can be fully charged in just 2 hours. The Ranger has several notable features that make it stand out, such as its zero knee obstruction, low center of gravity, and an airlift reclining seat. This seat can be moved down towards the rear shock, turning the bike into something like a kick scooter. Additionally, the Ranger is designed to be used with a trailer that can be ordered separately and has a carrying capacity of 66 pounds, making additional cargo or equipment hauling extremely convenient. You can buy this one for around $6,100. KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is a motorcycle model that stands out from the rest of the lineup due to its off-road focus and rugged design. With its powerful 1301cc liquid-cooled V2 engine mated to a 6-speed transmission, this off-road bike delivers 158 horsepower and 103 foot-pounds of torque. The off-road bike is equipped with a high-performance WP Explorer suspension, featuring a 48mm inverted front fork with reinforced springs and an adjustable PDS WP monoshock absorber at the rear. Brembo brakes ensure reliable stopping power, while a Bosch 9 ME dual-channel combined anti-lock braking system enhances safety during braking. The motorcycle also features cornering ABS, which adds an extra layer of safety when navigating corners. Other features include an electric throttle system, 4 driving modes, and a 6.5-inch TFT instrument panel. Pricing starts at around $22,464. Now that you've made it to the end of this video, drop a like so that we can change the way people think about off-road bikes. Also, we've got plenty of videos for all you thrill seekers. Check them out if you've got time. We'll see you in the next one.